Welcome to Beginner English Speaking. In this video, you will speak English. You will answer 5 questions. My name is Felipe. I'm an English teacher and I'm here to help you. So first, I answer the question. Second, you answer the question. Let's go. Let's start with question number 1. What's your favorite day of the week? Why? I like every day. I try to be happy and positive every day. But there is one day that is special, and it is Saturday. Why Saturday? Because on Saturday I don't work. I have a day off. I can relax, I can enjoy time with my wife, with my family, with my friends. No stress. I can be lazy or I can go out. So Saturday for me is the best day of the week. What about you? What is your favorite day of the week? Before you answer the question, let's practice the 7 days of the week so you can check your pronunciation, okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Repeat these words, guys, so you can be confident with your pronunciation, okay? Let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2, what's your favorite color? There are many beautiful colors: blue, green, black, white, gray, yellow, pink, orange. But to me, my favorite color is black. I like black t-shirts, black shoes. My car is black. My football team has a black uniform, black and white, but more black. So that's why black is my favorite color. And you, what is your favorite color? Hey, if you want more material to practice beginner English, like this video, subscribe to the channel, so we can help more people to learn English. Thank you. Now let's go to question number 3. What's your favorite animal? There are many beautiful animals in nature: horses, rabbits, tiger, lion, birds, different colors, different birds, fish, cats, dogs. But I have to go with dogs. They are my favorite. Why? Because dogs are very friendly. They become part of your family when you have a dog. They keep you company. They give you love. They're always happy to see you. So I have to go with dogs. My wife, she loves dogs as well. What about you? What is your favorite animal? Remember to answer these questions in English so you can practice your speaking. You don't have to be perfect. You can make mistakes, a lot of mistakes, it's fine, but you need to practice, okay? So let's go. Let's move on to question number 4. Seasons. What is your favorite season? Why? Do you remember the seasons? There are 4 seasons. Let's review these 4 seasons. Winter, which is cold. We usually have to wear a jacket. Spring, that's the season of flowers, The gardens are beautiful, the parks are very beautiful. Summer, when the weather is hot and sunny, a lot of people go to the beach. And autumn, when the leaves are falling from the trees, it starts to get cold. So these are the 4 seasons. My favorite season is summer because I love the weather in summer. It's nice, it's hot and sunny. Also, I usually have a holiday in summer, so I can travel with my wife, with my friends. We can relax, yes, take some time off. So that's why summer is my favorite season. You can be outdoors, do sports outside. Yeah, so the weather is fantastic. What about you? What is your favorite season? If you have any suggestions or ideas for other beginner videos, write it down on the comment section, leave a comment and I'll have a look, okay? Thank you. Question number 5. This is a good question. Let's talk about food. What's your favorite food? It's a difficult question because there's so much delicious food out there. Burgers, lasagna, sandwiches, salads, soup. I like soup. But in my opinion, the best, the winner, the champion, my favorite is pizza. I love pizza because there are so many options with pizza. Ham and cheese, pepperoni, margarita, tuna. You can mix different toppings. The cheese is melting. It's so delicious. So pizza is my favorite food. But what about you? What is your favorite food? Remember to answer the questions, guys. This is important. Practice your speaking. Make mistakes. It's fine. You don't have to be perfect. Okay? If you are serious about your English, if you want your English to go up, there are 3 steps that you can take. 3 very important steps that can help you a lot. I talk about these steps in this video. So watch the video, have a look, and remember to practice every day. Contact with English is very important, guys. It's the number 1 thing. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.